Question is prove that sin² 30 degrees is equal to half of 1 minus cos 60 degrees. In order to prove this equation, let me write down the trigonometric ratios table. So we have sin theta, cos theta and tan theta, and the standard trigonometric angles are 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. The way how I memorize this table is, for the angle 0 degrees, we have the values 0, 1, 0. For the angle 90 degrees, we have the value 1, 0 and not defined. Sin 30 degrees is 1 by 2. Sin 45 degrees is 1 by root 2. Sin 60 degrees is root 3 by 2. For the trigonometric function cos theta, we will have the reverse of the previous row. That is the values of sin theta. So we will have sin 30 degrees to be equal to as root 3 by 2. Sin 45 degrees to be equal to as 1 by root 2. Sin 60 degrees to be equal to as 1 by 2. So here we can see that cos theta is the reverse of the previous row. That is the reverse of sin theta. For all, tan theta is the ratio of sin theta by cos theta. Tan 30 degrees is equal to 1 by root 3. Tan 45 degrees is 1 and tan 60 degrees is root 3. First, let us concentrate on the LHS. That is, LHS is equal to sin² 30 degrees. We have the value of sin 30 degrees as 1 by 2. So therefore, we will get 1 by 2 whole square. That is 1 by 4. So this is the value of our LHS. Next, let us concentrate on our RHS. RHS is equal to half of 1 minus cos 60 degrees. So the value of cos 60 degrees is half. Half of 1 minus 1 by 2, which is equal to half into half, which is equal to 1 by 4, which is our value of LHS. So this is our value of LHS. So now we have proved that LHS is equal to RHS. Next question is, prove that cosecant pi by 6 radians into cot pi by 4 radians the whole plus secant square pi by 4 radians into tan square pi by 6 radians whole is equal to 2 cosecant square pi by 3. First, let me write down the table which is having our trigonometric ratios, and then next we will convert our angles in radians to degrees. Three basic trigonometric functions are sin theta, cos theta and tan theta, and the 5 standard trigonometric angles are 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. In the 0 degree column we will have 0, 1, 0. In the 90 degree column we will have 1, 0 not defined, and the remaining trigonometric values are as follows. Sin 30 degrees is 1 by 2, sin 45 degrees is 1 by root 2, sin 60 degrees is root 3 by 2. The next row, that is the row of cos theta, is the reverse of the previous row. That is the row of sin theta. Here we will have sin 30 degrees is root 3 by 2, sin 45 degrees is 1 by root 2, sin 60 degrees is 1 by 2. Next, tan theta is the ratio of sin theta by cos theta. 1 by root 3, tan 45 degrees is 1, tan 60 degrees is root 3. Next, let us convert our angles in radians to degrees. We have cosecant pi by 6 radians into cot pi by 4 radians whole plus secant square pi by 4 radians into tan square pi by 6 radians whole is equal to 2 into cosecant square of pi by 3 radians. So simply we have to substitute the value of pi to be equal to as 180 degrees. For all, pi radians is equal to 180 degrees. When we do that, we will get cosecant pi by 6 radians will be equal to 30 degrees into cot pi by 4 radians will be equal to 45 degrees plus secant square pi by 4 radians. The value of pi by 4 radians will be 45 degrees into tan square pi by 6 radians. Pi by 6 radians will be equal to 30 degrees, which is equal to 2 into cosecant square of pi by 3 radians, that is 60 degrees. So in LHS we have cosecant 30 degrees into cot 45 degrees plus secant square 45 degrees into tan square 30 degrees. We must be knowing this reciprocals, that is for all, cosecant theta is a reciprocal of sin theta, secant theta is a reciprocal of cos theta, cot theta is a reciprocal of tan theta. So now in the LHS we have first cosecant 30 degrees. So secant 30 degrees will be the reciprocal of sin 30 degrees. Value of sin 30 degrees, that is 1 by 2. So we will have 2 into cot 45 degrees. Cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. So in order to find the value of cot 45 degrees, we need to know the value of tan 45 degrees. The value of tan 45 degrees is 1. We will have 2 into 1 in our first bracket. Next, we are having sec² 45 degrees. We know that secant theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. So therefore, in order to know the value of secant 45 degrees, we need to know the value of cos 45 degrees. The value of cos 45 degrees is 1 by root 2. Therefore, the value of secant 45 degrees root 2 whole square into, next we are having tan² 30 degrees. So tan 30 degrees is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 whole square. If we solve these numbers, we will get 2 plus square root whole square is 2 into 1 by root 3 the whole square will be 1 by 3. We will get 2 plus 2 by 3 6 plus 2 by 3, which will be equal to, this is our next question, 8 by 3. The value of our LHS is 8 by 3. Let us see if we are getting the same value for our RHS. So in RHS, we are having 2 cosecant square 60 degrees. In order to find the value of cosecant 60 degrees, we need to first know the value of sin 60 degrees. Sin 60 degrees is having the value root 3 by 2. In the RHS, we will have 2 into 2 by root 3 square. So when we square the fraction, we will get 2 into 2 is 4, root 3 into root 3 is 3. So we will get 8 by 3, which is our LHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. If you understood the concept, subscribe to the channel, like the video and share the video. Thank you.